Getting into the details, first let's have a look at the headlines. High-level committee submits report on One Nation, One Election to President Draupadi Murmu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi shares documentary episode titled Statue of Unity, Ekta Ka Pratik. CAA is law to provide citizenship rights. It will not snatch away citizenship from anyone, says Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates Phase 3 of Talent Identification Program and Phase 2 of Elite Pathway Program. And Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma launches Vidya Samiksha Kendra at DERT Shillong. And now the news in detail. A high-level committee today submitted its report on One Nation, One Election to President Draupadi Murmu in New Delhi. The high-level committee, constituted under the chairmanship of former President Ramnath Kovind, submitted its report to President Draupadi Murmu in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Law and Justice Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, former chairman of the 15 Finance Commission N.K. Singh and others. According to the Law and Justice Ministry, One Nation, One Election is core to aspirational India. It said, report comprising of 18,626 pages is outcome of extensive consultations with stakeholders, experts and research of 191 days. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today shared a documentary episode titled Statue of Unity, Ekta Ka Pratik by a private television channel. In a social media post, Modi said that watching this episode on the majestic Statue of Unity will be an eye-opening experience and it will make everyone want to visit Kevadia at the very earliest. Featuring stunning visuals, interesting facts and stories never told before, this documentary, directed by Anand L. Rai, covers the Herculean effort from the initial vision to the awe-inspiring completion of building the world's tallest statue.
आकर्षण पैदा करके अटकना नहीं था, मुझे वहां से प्रेरणा पैदा करनी थी.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah has reiterated that Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) is a law to provide citizenship rights and it will not snatch away citizenship from anyone. In an interview to a news agency, Shah said CAA will provide rights and citizenship to Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, Sikhs, Christians and Parsi refugees from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. He said, everyone will get equal rights under the provisions of Citizenship Amendment Act as they will now become citizens of India. He clarified that the National Register of Citizens, NRC, has nothing to do with the CAA. The Union Minister said there is no need for minorities to fear because there is no provision in CAA to take away anyone's citizenship.
और जहां तक असंवैधानिक होने का सवाल है, वो आर्टिकल अनुच्छेद 14 का हवाला देते हैं. वो भूल जाते हैं कि अनुच्छेद 14 में 2 अपवाद रखे हुए हैं और दूसरा कानून के उद्देश्यों के साथ लॉजिकल संबंध होना चाहिए. तो वो आर्टिकल 14 का वायोलेशन नहीं करता है. इसमें रीजनेबल क्लासिफिकेशन बहुत स्पष्ट है कि जिन लोगों पर भारत के पुराने हिस्सों में आज वो विभाजन के कारण देश से कटे हैं, अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान और बांग्लादेश में, जिन लोगों पर धार्मिक प्रताड़ना होने के कारण जो भारत की शरण में आए हैं, उसके लिए कानून है. रीजनेबल क्लासिफिकेशन बहुत स्पष्ट है और इसलिए ये पूरी तरह से संवैधानिक कानून है.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma inaugurated Phase 3 of the Talent Identification Program and Phase 2 of the Elite Pathway program today at Nehu campus in a bid to bolster youth sports development in the state in the presence of Chief Secretary D.P. Walang, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Isawanda Lalu, and renowned Bollywood actor John Abraham. In his address, Chief Minister Sangma emphasized the government's unwavering commitment to prioritizing youth development through sports. He pledged sustained interventions to nurture and unleash the full potential of young athletes, highlighting the transformative power of sports in shaping the future of Meghalaya's youth.
It was this government that introduced the sports awards and was felicitating and rewarding the medalists in the state games or with the national games or any other national competition that is there. It is this government that started giving scholarship to our students who are getting medals in national games and in national competitions at different disciplines that are there.
I just would like to thank the Meghalaya government, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma in particular. Thank you for being so proactive and for making this dream into a reality. I'll promise you, we will be the best residential academy in the country, the best.
Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma along with Education Advisor H.M. Shangpliang today launched the Vidya Samiksha Kendra at the Directorate of Educational Research and Training DERT annexed in Malki, Shillong. Sangma underscored the mass benefits of the initiative, acknowledging that although it may seem challenging initially, the long-term outcomes will be rewarding. He also said the Vidya Samiksha Kendra is designed to leverage technology for the betterment of education, offering a comprehensive approach to monitor and improve the quality of education across the state. The Vidya Samiksha Kendra aims to empower students to achieve their aspirations through quality education while incorporating real-time monitoring supported by artificial intelligence.
And therefore, with the system, I can really be able to understand the performance of our children's uniformity. But nothing is perfect on the earth. This system, yes, merit a system that perfectly works. We might be able to track the perfect performance of any students or any institutions, any teacher. And also, there is always a way to manipulate. So today, I want to request each one of you, let's be faithful.
Shillong and the entire East Khasi Hills has been on high alert after the East Khasi Hills Police in collaboration with Ribhoi Police conducted a joint operation in which 4 people were arrested and a significant amount of explosives seized. Similarly, the entire Ribhoi district has been put on high alert. Police claimed that this operation has foiled the attempt of the proscribed Neo-Trap National Liberation Council HNLC to carry out IED blasts in Shillong and Nongpo. Rituraj Ravi, Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills, said that patrolling in the city has been intensified. Police are taking all kinds of precautions and they are on high alert on all fronts throughout the city and throughout the district. He urged the public not to panic and if they come across anyone or anything suspicious, they should alert the police immediately.
The present law and order situation, the police is on high alert. The patrolling has been intensified and we are keeping all kinds of precautions and we are on high alert on all fronts throughout the city, throughout the district. Urge the people not to panic. We are on job here and we are maintaining highest vigil. However, if any citizen or any members of the general public, if they come across anyone suspicious, anything suspicious, they should call us, alert us immediately.
The Meghalaya youth Pradesh Congress, MPYC and Mahila Morcha today organised widespread protests across the state opposing the implementation of Citizenship Amendment Act CAA. In Shillong, demonstrators from the Mahila Morcha congregated in Kandailat, while the Youth Congress staged their protests outside the state BJP office. Speaking to the media, Adrian Khan, Millennium President of MPYC, asserted that, regardless of whether someone falls under the 6th schedule or not, once a Bangladeshi gains Indian citizenship, there's no mechanism to prevent their settlement in India. State Mahila Congress President Joplin Shilla said that this is just the beginning of their protests and more will follow.
Ke jingle jong ke BJP hakaba kala weng ya ka article lai nyo pho ka ba ya dai ya kata ka hok jong ki nong Kashmir ho menta ki exam tiangi henre lesi haki sni ki bonwan kin persang bon weng saya ka 6 schedule khnam bakin long ya ka ne ka an ka bolong pura habaro ka wei ka ri India ka jongi.
We want that everyone, citizen of Meghalaya, should stand up and protest and be against the CA being implemented in Meghalaya. Well, at this point of time, I don't think we can trust the government. It says something today and tomorrow it's something else. So, based on that, we went on with the protest.
The Regional Democratic Alliance candidate, Robert June Kharjaran, held his Lok Sabha election campaign for Shillong Parliamentary Constituency in West Jaintia Hills District at Umlat Khor village in the Amblarem subdivision yesterday evening. Addressing the public, Kharjaran focused on promoting and preserving the indigenous identity of the indigenous people, aligning closely with the ideology of the regional party. He also criticized the incumbent Congress MP for neglecting important issues like ILP, Khasi language inclusion and boundary disputes. He expressed his dedication to addressing the numerous pending issues with the government of India.
Kenal mengimpak menskong ya kene kerti ke dustur ke jongi kalau ke kabadun kau kalau kum kador kabadra bentik badumla banyapai kene ke jimata ka bakrau bakum ke tek bedu miem ha kabadiada kumung ya banyada ya kata ke jimong kerpang ke tek bedu jongi ni tinggi ong kumong dakato kat ni kiru silat bak dakato kat ni kipol ko parti kibong ba yang bujilino ya kata ka district council yang bujilino ya kasih schedule daki wei article meeting ni yang kalau kanorin badau baginang pengklan batang pempa ya kan district council bat ya kasih schedule kebau mengi ila bat halor jongi dilempar.
The Khasi Students Union KSU West Khasi Hills District held a protest against the implementation of the Citizenship Amendment Act CAA in the state and across India. The protests burnt copies of the CAA rules and raised slogans against the act. KSU leaders, including General Secretary Franklin Im Yong, expressed strong opposition to the CAA and vowed to prevent its implementation in Meghalaya.
Banyang persya ay ginigaan. Pati mga kabangkwa magpagkalaro kini kepuar kulang ba. Kejak baru jangi kapan dakadokha. Henry kesorkar Meghalaya berkesorkar India ki ay do sen. Lada yang ginigaan untuk rekam berkesorkar India galak ban wanra mengiskan bagai kesi misalang kumba susutan wada bang bagi solong kinong tong jonglo jonglo hakane kanjaka jongi ya gini genting kisalang kisah terekam wada kum kinong sisunang jorgan jala jongi ngim kendithia.
And now the weather report. Maximum temperature was recorded at 22.2 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature was recorded at 11.2 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 62%, which decreased to 48% in the evening. Forecast: light to moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. Before winding up the news, here's a quick look at the headlines once again. High-level committee submits report on One Nation, One Election to President Draupadi Murmu. Prime Minister Narendra Modi shares documentary episode titled Statue of Unity, Ekta Ka Pratik. CAA is law to provide citizenship rights. It will not snatch away citizenship from anyone, says Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurates Phase 3 of Talent Identification Program and Phase 2 of Elite Pathway Program. And Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma launches Vidya Samiksha Kendra at DERT Shillong. And viewers, that's all we have for you in today's news bulletin. Do tune in with us again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice evening ahead.